Good morning everyone, welcome back to another Oliver's Cars and Reviews YouTube video here, where you join me here at the Maryborough Showgrounds for what's commencing right now, which is Garage Fest. Absolutely amazing. Thank you so much to Cass and Neil and all the team and volunteers for coming on board and making this project come alive. This is going to be absolutely amazing here at Garage Fest. Without wasting any more time, let's get to the cars, shall we? OCAR. Premium? That's nice.
Everyone's walking around the sun.
Yeah, I know. Nice XW. Porsche 911. MG V8. Novell. Oh, that's awesome. Nice cruiser. That's nice. There's the more. And the XL Falcon. That looks awesome.
Thank you.
We're racing lawnmowers.
Who's this guy? He's going through.
Got the hatchback Piranha. That looks cool. Looks good. That's tough.
That's why they go when it's got the headlight missing on.
Hey. Camera on. A freaking NASCAR.
Well, a bit of attention. When you do a U here, and come back, one there, one there.
It's Judy Baker, I love that. That looks awesome.
Going out. Yeah.
PH, looking good. HR Holden. That looks clean. David Deem. How you going, mate?
Good.
That's good. Look at that. Mark II Escort. Tunnel van. HQ. Mazda. Lucy. Nice 66 Mustang convertible. That looks awesome. Alan. Very nice truck. He stalled! Got the Forby boys coming in, look at that.
Guys, can you get off the road?
Monaro.
All the way.
Nice EHU. EH, nice big EH, love it. The Subaru Liberty wagon, that's awesome, I love that, that's clean. Oh, it's a legacy wagon actually. Trans Am, Bandit, I love it. 351 X2, love that.
Oh, right,
You got an adventurer wagon, you don't see those every day. It's Caleb and Taylor. Hi.